How to put new wiper blades on a Chevrolet Silverado. So the blades will fold up like this so you can reach them. So the wiper arm has a little loop here that this thing locks into, and some wiper blades you just pressure fit and pull them out, and some of them have a release. So this one has a little arrow that says release on it, and there's a little tab here that you have to push in to release it, to unlock it, and then you just pull it back towards the back of the truck. I'll give you a close-up of that. So when you open it up like that, you see this little hook right here, and you have to push that in with your finger to release it, to unclip it from here, and then pull it back. So when you're ready to put your new wipers on, you just put the loop through the wiper frame and then pull it forward towards the front of the truck, and it will snap in automatically. So putting them on is a lot easier than taking them off, but the whole process is super easy. What size do you need? I bought 18-inch wiper blades. So this one takes 18-inch left and right. This is a 95 Chevy truck. So this would fit 88 to 98 Chevrolet trucks. And that's the model number that I put on. Fits great.